Works perfectly well. Checked power consumption. It is what is stated in the power consumption guide sticker. Good 5. Refrigerator. Decent storage space. Overall a good deal on Amazon. Have been using this product for a month now, and no complaints so far. My fridge remains stuffed with different items and the cooling is really powerful as I never turned it up more than 40%. Build quality is sturdy and the overall finish is very good, with no point edges. The capacity is also similar to the other fridges in the price range. Electricity consumption is also very nominal, as it was on ever since it arrived. Moreover, a very well-built product. However, the prices are slightly on the higher side as you get other brands with a little less price. I am talking about 500, 1000. So, if you want to save a bit more, you can definitely look at Samsung or Whirlpool, which are equally good as well and provide the same features. Very good product. I am happy to have it. Excellent fridge from Godrej. Nice cooling burrow. Delivery was also good and before time. But delivery boy was kind of rude. Good looking and working fine. Few small parts were missed during delivery, that's the reason for 4-star rating. Arrived in perfect condition with excellent packing. The refrigerator is spacious and no noticeable noise. What's truly great about this refrigerator is it does not heat up at all. All sides are always cool without any heat emanating from inside. Simply superb product. Delivered well without damage. Nice product, enough space. Nice cooling with minimum noise. I'm using past 15 days. There is no problem in any aspect. Quick cooling. It's worth for money. We bought this product last year and has been using it for past 9 months. Highly impressed with the product. Excellent cooling and instant cooling, spacious, power efficient. Even if power is not there, cooling remains for almost 20 to 24 hours. Sometimes little noisy and then returns back to normal. Click link in description for more reviews.